Okay, so this is our website and Lovable has definitely cooked. So let's see how it is with only our prompt. Okay, so this is just a single prompt that Lovable works with, and let's see what can we improvise on more. Okay, so this is the navigation bar. I think it looks good. Yeah, it is giving the bright color palette that we asked. Okay, so yeah, here are cute little animations. I think it is okay, but maybe it can be improvised. Okay, I think the hero section looks pretty. Yeah, okay, let's go to the second section where we asked about how it works. Okay, maybe these numbers could be styled better, and maybe these icons are repetitive. Okay, we can remove these emojis later on, and yep, it's okay. It's giving a little animation here, which I think it's okay. And let's see the next one, which is featured restaurants. Yep, okay, this looks good. Okay, the most popular dishes also looks good. Why choose quick bite? mm, yep, it is giving the simple icons that we asked for, and the illustrations fits well with the theme that we are going for. The stats here, yep, there's a little stats. And our review section, I think this looks great. And the contact and support, okay, yes, this looks like a real website. And the FAQ, okay, yeah, this is good. And this is all mock data that we can definitely improvise, and maybe if you want to change everything, you can also go into the code and look here on what are the code that you can modify. We'll look this into later using maybe VS Code, and we can clone this using GitHub, but we'll look into this later. And let's just go back. So yep, this is what Lovable went into: the hero section, 3-step how it works, restaurant grid, design system. What's next? Okay, here Lovable has also asked what's next for you. Do you want to refine and customize? You want to tweak the designs, animations, and layout? Wire prompts or master prompting? Use the chat mode to plan out your project. Maybe you want different modifications that you want to see in your website. Okay, so if you click on here, you can see this credits here. So you have only 5 credits daily, and now after our single prompt we have 3 left, and you have to use it wisely so that you don't end up fully utilizing it before your real prototype that you want. So here, okay, I think it looks good, and I think we can straight go into cloning our repository and going into GitHub and seeing how can we modify it in code.
Clone the repository in Visual Studio Code. First, as you can see, there's a GitHub icon here. You can click on that and configure. So once you will configure, you connect your GitHub account and you will receive a HTTPS here. You can copy that, or there's another way as well, which is open Visual Studio Code and press on clone Git repository, and then press clone from GitHub. And if you connected your account, it will automatically give the repository name. Then, as you can see, it appears here, Quick Byte Foodie Dash. Once you click on that, you select the repository destination and it will clone the repository. So we wait while it loads here. So So after we open, so yes, this will be our source code for all the components here, and the pages of this is the coding of the pages, this is the navigation, this is the restaurant. So to run this project, we have to click this, we have to go look at the terminal, and we have to bash npm install. This will install all the dependency inside the project that needed to run this project. So we wait while we installing the dependencies and libraries. It will take some time here. Okay, since it's installed, and as you can see, all the errors will be gone, and we just bash in npm start dev. Npm run dev, and it will pop up a local HTTP link, and once you press that, it will open in our Google Chrome. So this will be the website that running locally in our laptop. So how do we gonna deploy this website? So to deploy the website, you go to Vercel. The internet is quite slow right now. So we go to this website. So we log in with our credential here. Account. You add a new project, and you find your repo here. You import the project. Then as you can see, this is the project name, and framework is white. And then for the build command, you put white build dist, and also npm install here. You can configure the environmental variables if you have any API key inside your project which is hidden. So the root directory will be this as normal, and you press deploy here. And once you start your deployment, you can see the logs here. It will take some time to deploy the website, so we will skip right into the deployment. It will look once it is deployed. So you can see instant previews or add domain. So we can add domain for our project. So the current domain for our project is quickbitefoodie-e. This is the URL. So we can edit the domain name. We put like quickbitefoodie-. Let's check if it's available. Yes, it is available. So our new URL will be quickbitefoodie, this one. And then we can enable, we don't have to do this for now. So we continue to the dashboard, and we visit our app. So quickbitefoodie.vercel.app, this will be our new web app for now. So yes, this is a complete web app, and you can search in new tab as well, quick buy foodie.versa.app. So to redirect to this one because you have deployed the website. So that is all from us. Thank you. Hope you can enjoy doing your own websites after this. Thank you very much.